In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a bill or purchase invoice in Xero, whether you're handling the finances for a large organization or just maintaining your own small ventures accounts. Mastering this process is essential. So let's dive in and make this routine task a breeze. To get started, first you'll need to log into your Xero accounting software. Head over to your preferred web browser, navigate to the Xero login page, and click on the Login button. Enter your registered email address and password, ensuring that you have the correct credentials to access your account. After typing in your details, click on the login button once more to proceed. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be greeted by your Xero dashboard. Here, you'll find an overview of your account's financial activities, giving you immediate insight into your business's fiscal health. Now, let's move forward by clicking on the Business tab, which will reveal various options related to your transactions. In this next step, you'll want to click on Bills to Pay. This section is specifically designed for managing your outgoing payments. With just a few clicks, you can keep track of all the bills your business is responsible for, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Next, click on New Bill to start entering the details of the bill or purchase invoice you wish to post. Pay careful attention here, as accurately entering all details is crucial for maintaining precise records. Begin by entering the supplier or customer name as shown on the invoice you're processing. This ensures that everything is linked correctly within your accounting system. After inputting the customer name, it's time to set the date for the invoice. This step holds significant importance because it keeps your account current and in sync with real-time business activities. Following this, add the invoice number as a reference. This will serve as a unique identifier, helping you to quickly locate this particular bill in the future if needed. If you have a digital or scanned copy of the invoice, you can upload it by clicking on the file icon. This will help maintain accurate and detailed records within Xero, which you can easily refer to whenever needed. Additionally, if you're utilizing Xero's inventory features, consider auto-adding items from your inventory. This streamlines your process, especially for repeat transactions or stock items. Lastly, add a description of the invoice or bill. This simple yet powerful step can provide context that helps others in your team understand what the transaction pertains to. Once you've verified all the information and are confident it's accurate, click on Approve to finalize the posting. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to post bills or purchase invoices in Xero with ease. This process not only helps you stay organized, but also ensures an accurate reflection of your business finances. Thank you for watching, and have a great day managing your accounts with Xero.